In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily increase or reduce highlights on a photo on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, head over to Photos app. Then search for a photo you would like to edit and tap on it. Once it is done, tap right here at Edit to go to Edit mode, and that's where we need to search for Highlight tool. To do that, just drag this toolbar a bit until you find Highlights, and then guys, basically to increase highlights, just drag it to the left to go right. And as you can see, it increases highlights effect on any light areas on a photo. If you would like to make light areas darker, just drag it towards the left. Once it is done and you are happy with the result, tap right here to save the changes. If later in the future you will decide to revert this photo to original, you can easily do so in any time. Just tap at Edit, Revert, and revert to original. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.